I'm learning.
Yeah.
Less is more. I get it. Hi, I'm Liz Sunshine, and today I'm trying out some new beauty looks for winter. So first we're going to try a blush look. What are we going to do?
So we're going to use the first shade, Loves Me Not, on the eyes, which is a little bit different. It actually builds up quite nicely. So going in with a fluffy brush as well, it's going to make that building process a lot easier, basically.
So I'm just tapping into the blush.
Yeah.
And then it's starting in the center, is that what you said?
Exactly right.
And coming out to the corner at the edge first.
Exactly. And sort of blending it into the crease when there's not that much product left on the brush. It kind of makes it easier.
Oh, I really like that color. I don't think I would have picked it up, you know, knowing that it would build the spell.
Yeah. All right, so next step, I'm just going to use the ELLIS FAAS concealer, just because we do have a pinky tone around the eye. Sometimes a bit of redness can show, our natural redness. So I'm just going to tidy that up a little bit. The lash line, and it brightens it up, makes the pink pop a little bit more as well.
Am I just looking at a small amount?
Yeah, exactly. Especially under the eyes, I think too much concealer is never a good look, so.
Hang on, I definitely think I've got a bit too much.
Just break it down a little bit. But with the ELLIS FAAS one, it's got a lot of vitamin E in there, so it's super hydrating for under the eyes. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the cheeks using this shade called Loves Me. It's a little bit deeper. So smile for me. So we want to aim for the apples and going up along the cheekbone as well.
I'm a little bit nervous doing this step. I feel like I'm definitely going to put too much on.
Okay. Yeah, perfect.
Is that enough? Is that?
Yeah, that's beautiful. And you have a bit of concealer on your finger as well.
Yes.
So you can always buff that down with a bit of concealer as well.
I'm learning.
Yeah.
Less is more. I get it.
So now that's done, I think to carry it all and make it that monochromatic look, we're going to go in with RMS Demure, this shade. Just pat it on the centre of the lip and it'll give that stained effect that we're going for.
I like the colour as well. That's quite strong. I wasn't expecting that much colour, but it's beautiful. Oh, I really like this. I think it looks really pretty, and I've never sort of thought to use the blush tones in the 3 different areas.
It's a really fresh look for winter as well.
Kind of natural.
All right, so we're going to do an icy highlight today.
Cool.
So we're going to use the RMS Quad Cream, so it's really easy to use.
I love highlighter. It's probably one of my favourite.
I can never have enough.
Yeah.
Finding the high points of the cheekbone, I'm just dabbing onto there. It's just going to enhance that natural light and give you that dewy sort of effect.
Bring it up with my finger. And then just on the high point.
Starting right there. Yeah, absolutely.
Is that far enough coming down? Or is that
I think that's good.
It's okay?
Yeah.
And then you came up around
the eyebrow.
eyebrow?
Exactly. And then with whatever you've got left, just dab and sort of blend it through. So now we're going to add a bit of highlighter to the eye using this one called White Fox. It's really, really beautiful and icy, so it's just going to make the eyes look really bright and awake. Just going to pop it in the tear duct area. Really simple, but it makes such a nice effect. Sort of just...
And build it and then blend?
Exactly, yeah.
Oh, I definitely have not got enough. Wow, that's like really easy to use, and the impact is pretty bold.
Yeah.
I like the contrast between that and the feminine of the pink.
All right, so now we're gonna go and set the face.
I've never set before in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, there's a first for everyone. Today we're gonna use the Hourglass Veil Powder. This one's new. It's got a really nice luminous finish. Tip, use it just through the T-zone because we've highlighted. So you wanna keep that nice and luminous on the outside and then mattify the center. All right, to finish off this look, we're gonna do a really cool lip, which is from by Terry. It's the new Twist On lips.
Oh, that's amazing.
Bit ombre, a bit different.
Wow, so that's the 2 colours literally in the stick.
Yeah, exactly. So it's gonna give you a bit of dimension, basically. It's gonna make the lips pop. I reckon for today, we're gonna do the dark on the inside and the light on the outside to make that volume come out. They're quite subtle as well. I think it looks quite dramatic in the stick. With this, after you map it, if you sort of buff it out with your finger a little bit, dab it on, it'll just sort of fuse them together and make that ombre quite seamless.
I really like that color. Gone are the days where I wear like a really bold red, so this feels like a really nice update.
Yeah. Exactly.
And kind of cool for winter. Unexpected, but really nice.
Yeah, totally.
I don't think I would have known that I can use this much pink on my face and look this fresh still. I think it looks really like quite modern and cool.